Only the emergency room is open at the Mary Hurley Hospital in Cole County, Oklahoma, after heavy rains flooded the building.
The roof drains malfunction, causing the water to come inside the building about 3 inches.
At first, we couldn't believe how much water was all of a sudden everywhere, and then we just got in there and started cleaning it up.
Johnson says officials closed the hospital immediately and transferred their patients to other facilities. Fortunately, he says, there were only 3 patients there at the time. For now, patients who arrive can be treated in the temporary emergency room officials have set up. Then they're transferred to other facilities for additional treatment. Workers don't yet know how long it will be before the hospital is fully functioning again.